Let's talk about AI tools that grows your money while you sleep. Do you want to wake up richer without lifting a finger? These AI tools are working while you sleep to grow your money in 2025. And today I will be breaking them down for you one by one. From investing bots to e-commerce tools to digital products, I will show you how to use AI to build passive income streams, even if you are just starting out. So if financial freedom is on your 2025 checklist, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's hop in. Number one is AI investing bots. Apps like Wealthfront, MI Finance, and Betterment invest your money for you automatically. They analyze your goals, your risk level, and create a smart portfolio that rebalances itself even while you sleep. Some even offer tax loss harvesting, which helps you to keep more money come tax season. It's like having a 24/7 money manager without a high fee. Number two is AI trading tools. Now, if you are into trading, AI can do that too for you. Apps like Fioni and 3Commas offer crypto bots that make smart trades all day, every day. You choose the strategy, they handle the execution. That's how it works. Stock traders, check out Trade Ideas, an AI platform that scans the market for high probability trades. It's smart, fast, and way less emotional than most human traders. But remember, start small, test before you scale. Number three is AI hustles. Now let's take it up to talk about digital side hustles. Do you know you can use ChatGPT to write ebook, guides, or scripts like this one? Design a cover with Canva, upload it to Amazon KDP or ST. You can just give that a try and see how it goes. And boom, you are selling digital products automatically that pays you while you sleep. One upload, unlimited downloads. That's true passive income. Are you ready to do that? Start by doing that right now and thank me later. Number four is AI in real estate. Do you know AI is doing wonders in real estate? AI is even helping in real estate. Platforms like AirDNA and MassVisor analyze rentals markets and predict which areas will give you the best returns. They also help you optimize Airbnb pricing automatically, so your rental properties make more money without extra effort. That is it. Real estate plus AI equals smart money move. Are you ready to hop in? Number five is AI for e-commerce. Are you running an online store? AI makes that easier too for you. Tools like Sell the Trend, find viral products before they blow up. Use ChatGPT to write listing, set up a Shopify store, and let AI chatbot handle customer support. That's a full e-commerce business and autopilot for that matter. So are you ready to hop in that? Let me know in the comment section. Number six is AI budgeting and saving. You remember, budgeting and saving is the key for financial freedom. So use AI to save smarter. Apps like Clo, Nab, and PocketSmith help track your spending, analyze your habits, and automate your savings goal. Your money is being managed even while you sleep. Sometimes making money starts with managing it better. So it's very necessary that you know how to save and budget your finances, which will go a long way in enhancing your financial freedom. So if you are tired of trading time for money, use AI to start building wealth on autopilot. Pick one tool from this video and take action today. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who is ready to let money work for them. Remember, the smartest people are not working harder. They work smartly and let their money work for them. They are letting AI grow their money while they sleep.